Hey guys, are you a student preparing for an exam or someone getting ready for a job interview? Maybe you are already working or a housewife managing everything at home but struggling with one thing. What is the thing? Speaking English confidently. And the biggest challenge, your entire social circle speaks in Hindi all day, right? Don't worry, in this video I'll tell you exactly how anyone can learn to speak English fluently no matter where you come from or what you do or how much time you have. So guys, what we will cover in this video, let's talk about this. In this video we will cover now first why English feels difficult for Hindi speakers. Number 2, a step-by-step method to learn and practice English. And number 3, practical tips for students, a job seekers, housewives and working people. And 4, how to practice English even when anyone around you speaks in Hindi. And number 5 is bonus tips. I'll tell you bonus tips, my secret 10 minutes daily practice formula, how I do practice. Okay friends, I'll tell you part wise, like part 1, part 2. Okay, let's move to part number 1. Why does English feel so difficult? Because we think in Hindi and try to translate into English. This is the first problem which causes delay and confusion. Because our environment doesn't support English, we rarely hear or speak it daily. And fear of making mistake means लोग क्या कहेंगे या लोग क्या सोचेंगे. No real practice, just theory, grammar, rules and written exercises. This is the problem why we can't speak English. But you know what? You don't need a perfect environment. You need a smart strategy, and that's what I'm going to give you today. Let's move to part number 2, the 3 golden rules to learn English. Number 1, input and output. Means listen more English and speak more English. So what is your input? Listen more English, and output, speak more English. Watch English videos with subtitles, short podcast, basics, audiobooks. These things you can listen. Number 2 is daily speaking practice. Even if you are alone, but you have to do practice. How? Talk to yourself in front of a mirror, okay, and record your voice, listen back and improve. Now let's move to part number 3, tips for different people. Firstly, I'll talk about for a student who is preparing for exam or who is a student of college. So learn 5 to 10 new English words daily with meanings, okay, and speak 5 lines in English after waking up. You can also practice short answers for viva or questions. Talk about for job seekers who is preparing for job or who is preparing for interview exam. So practice your introduction in English. Learn to answer basic like HR's questions. Can speak with ChatGPT or use interview simulation apps. And you guys can do one thing. You can speak with ChatGPT or use interview simulation apps. Let's talk about for housewives. While cooking or cleaning, you can listen to English podcast or reels and describe your actions in English. Like I am cutting vegetables, I am doing this, I am doing this, blah blah blah. You can speak in English with yourself. Okay, and teach basic English to your kids. You will learn double. If you have kids, so you can teach basic English. Now let's talk about for working professionals. Use English in emails. They can use English in emails, meetings and calls. Start with 1 line per day, okay, and create an English corner in your office, maybe just with one friend. You can talk with your one friend, or you can create an environment in your office. Join an English WhatsApp group or Telegram group where you can do practice with someone. So I have covered part 3. Now let's move to part number 4. What if everyone around me speaks in Hindi? Then create your own English space and watch English content on YouTube, Instagram, Netflix. You can on the subtitles, okay, and follow English speaking creators you like. Whatever creators you like English speaker, you can follow this, okay, and read simple storybooks or article out loud. And you have to speak 5 minutes daily, just you and your mirror. In front of the mirror and you are alone, you can speak 5 minutes daily. No, you cannot, you have to do, okay. Use ChatGPT like a speaking partner. Nowadays some people they are using ChatGPT for speaking practice. You can also use, and you can also use Google. English is not tough, it's a cuff. You have to surround yourself with it. Move to part number 5, my 10 minutes English practice formula, how I to practice English speaking. So what is my daily routine? I'm gonna tell about you. You can do also. You can read 3 English sentences aloud. You can read from newspaper or book. And number 2, speak 3 self-made sentences about your day. Self-made sentences should be, okay? And number 3, learn 3 new words and use them in a sentence. And number 4 is listen to 1 minute English audio or video. If you have time 5 minutes, then you can also watch 5 minutes audio or video. You have to watch and listen also. Now 5, repeat next day. Means whatever I have told you, just repeat day by day. Means daily, 1 week, 7 days. You have to do these things. Only 10 minutes, but do it daily without fail. So friends, remember one thing, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Even if you speak broken English today, it's better than no English at all. So fluency comes from consistency, not from a British accent. Start with baby steps. Means start with baby steps and soon you will be running. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and comment. Tell me which tips you are going to use today and subscribe to the channel for more powerful English learning content. Let's grow together, one word, one sentence, one video at a time. See you in the next one. Thank you.